Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Diana with the Paper Pineapple. Today we're going to be going over my supplies for October daily. October is just in a couple of days. I cannot believe it, this Friday. And so I'm just going to simply just go over with you just the things that I've gathered from my album this year. I did show you in my last video of a little haul that I did through scrapbook.com. I ordered this album by Simple Stories. This is a snap 6x8 binder, and I like that it has the book plate right there. I like that it comes with 3 dividers, and it comes with these little decorative, cardstock sheets that you can embellish and stuff. And then it does come with some journaling paper and some dotted paper and some graph paper. And then you can embellish these dividers with the tabs. And I believe it does come with 10 pocket pages, and they come in 6x8. And they come in 2 4x6s. And they also come in 1 4x6 and 2 3x4s. I will definitely be adding some more pocket pages to this to complete my album. I'll not only be documenting Halloween, but I'll be documenting up until November 2nd, which is Dia de los Muertos, and so I will add in a couple 2 days for that. So hopefully it will all fit together. So this is the album that I'm going to be using this year. The paper collection that I have decided on is Frank Garcia's 31 by Prima, and so I went ahead and ordered the paper pad with all these cute gold, what are they called? Foil, gold foiling in the paper. I love all the little foliage accents on it, and it's really cute. I thought I'd do something different this year and go with a little pastel-oween, a little bit of pinks in there. And I love the cards that it comes with. I ordered extras so that I can cut out for journaling and extras for extra paper. So I do have that, and these are my extras that I decided to order. I ordered 2 of every single cut parts. They come with 4x6s, 3x4s, and I believe, I don't know if these are 3x3s. And they also come with this other sheet that was different sizes. So I went ahead and cut them up here. These are all the little extras that comes with the collection. It's really cute. I love all it's like a vintage. I love all that. So this is the first time that I'm using something like this. So I'm really antsy to start and see what I come up with. So yeah, these are all the extra sheets that I had, and I cut apart. So they're ready to be used. So that was that. I also, they were completely sold out on ephemera, but I did manage to snag, I did another order, and I was able to snag these chipboard stickers. It comes with 35 pieces, and they're super cute. I love all the little pink in it, the ghosties, the gold foiling in it. I also was able to snag a set of journaling cards, and there's a pack of 45 in here. So I'm sure I'll have plenty to put in these pocket pages. I was able to snag some of these little metal pumpkin charms. So I do plan to do a charm for my album, and I'm super excited for that. So I did snag that. Wasn't able to get any enamels, but I did pick up 2 of these enamels. I'll probably use the pinks in these and the whites and grays and blacks for that, for enamel dots. So that's that. I did pick up this new stamp. I have other stamps in my stash that I'm not going to be showing because I'm not going to show you everything that I own, but I did pick up this new stamp at our local paper source store, it's called, I believe. It's like a where they sell paper and crafts and stamps and pens and all this cool stuff. So I did snag this, and so I wanted to add this to the collection. It says Eat, Drink, and Be Scary. And I didn't use this last year, so I wanted to incorporate it in this year. This jack-o'-lantern stamp, I believe it's from Target. Yeah, it's only $1, so I'm gonna try to use that. As for trimmings, I'm gonna use the spiders, this cute little gold polka dot. I have other Halloween trim ribbons that I'll be using also, but for the most part, I think I want to stick to these 3. And then these are cute little jack-o'-lanterns. Isn't that cute? It's a cute trim. And then I will be using these spiders. I thought that was cute as well to add to it, because I know they have lots of bats and spiders and cats and stuff like that. So I thought it would pair up good with it. So I got this too. And of course I'm going to be using baker's twine, black and white baker's twine. And I probably will pull in some pinks. If I find in my stash any pink trims that I have, I'll probably add that to bring in all the pinks in this collection. And also, as well as these washies, I'll also be pulling some pink washies. These are just my straight Halloween. I have tons more, but again, I'm not going to be pulling out everything that I own, just the ones that I mainly want to use for this collection. So, you know, just so that everything stays cohesive. I didn't print any out. Actually, I have some, I did download, well, I did purchase some digitals, and so there's this super cute kit. It's called the Spooky Halloween Kit by Nelly and Clem, and they're so adorable. They have like this phone, this trick or treat. These are not all of it. These are just what I managed to print off because I ran out of ink. Squad gourds, isn't that cute? Friends Don't Lie from Stranger Things. Beetlejuice, and there's another one. Welcome to Hawkins, Indiana, which we're going to be watching Stranger Things. So I wanted to definitely purchase that. She has all kinds of cute kits, which is Brew. So I went ahead and printed a couple. Fantastic 31. There's a bat there. Number 1 costume, The Last Drop. This one wasn't printed all the way because my ink ran out. And there's a spider, and then these super cute stars. So yeah, my ink ran out of my printer, so I'll have to purchase some more ink so I can print these out, and so that I'm ready for October 1st. So yeah, I would definitely go ahead and check her out. Her name is Nelly and Clem. I'll go ahead and link in the description a link to her Etsy store so that you can purchase your own. And I also purchased another digital kit from Studio Calico. I don't have a visual here, but if you go over to Studio Calico and look up Let's Go Halloween, there are these cute journaling cards. And so like I went ahead and purchased, well, I can't even talk, purchased those cards as well. So hopefully I can put in a little mixture of these little kits here as I do, you know, different pages to document different things throughout the month. And so I'm super excited, guys. The time is almost here, and I can't wait to start on journaling all the cool and spooky things that happens in October. I hope that you guys will join me in this little October daily journal. Leave me a comment in the description if you are going to start October daily, or if you're thinking about doing October daily. Let me know what you guys think. I'd love to know how many of you are actually going to do it this year, and how many of you is it your first time. Go ahead and leave that in the comment section with a little pumpkin emoji, and let me know that you guys are, you know, interested in participating. And I'm super excited to start this with you guys. Thank you for watching. Thanks for stopping by, and I appreciate all of you who are watching, and I will talk to you guys in the next crafty video. Bye, guys.